All right, crew, we're gonna make jerk chicken prepped. I'm just gonna prep it today. Tomorrow I'll cook it. Maybe I'll I'll record that. We just got back from Turks, so I'm tired. I'm craving jerk chicken. Let me show you some of the different jerk spices you can get. Now, this is the OG. This one I believe is the most authentic of all the jerk paste. It's a paste, not even a sauce. I actually got it in Turks. You would think, well, it's Turks do jerk chicken? No, it's not known. I was talking to them. It's mostly Jamaica, maybe Trinidad, even not so much in the Bahamas. It's a Jamaican thing. But they carried, I was happy to find, check Amazon. It's G or JCS, Boston Jerk Seasoning, the most authentic. This is awesome. When I use this, maybe we'll make a video how to use it. Walker Woods is what I've been using. It's good, but it's not as good as the Boston jerk, and I do get down with the jerk seasoning. I've been doing that for a while, so much so that I would go against somebody in Jamaica, because a lot of times it's dry, and I'll show you a trick on how I keep it from being dry. And then, of course, then they had this. I haven't had this Jamaican jerk seasoning race. I haven't tried that company. We'll give that a try. But I will cook it. So we're just going to do the prep right now. What I got, Walmart chicken pack. I like the picnic pack. I like the price. It's $1.87 a pound. This was $9.69. Drumsticks, wings, and thighs. I like the variety. I'm a dark meat guy. Not a big fan of chicken breasts. However, does anybody know what's the original jerk chicken? What do they use? And what is it? That's right, leg quarters. They use leg quarters. Why? Because leg quarters are cheap, and you get the best bang for your buck. That's why they buy them. Dark meat, you get a lot. It's not very expensive. Or they'll use whole chickens. I've seen that where they'll sell half of the chicken. Cooley, do you wash your chicken? Do they wash it in Jamaica? A lot of the guys I've seen it do wash their chicken. Water. I've always rinsed it with water. Now, people say to me, they're like, well, you shouldn't wash your chicken. I've always washed it. That's up to you. Just like the skin on baby back ribs. Should you pull it off? Should you not? We'll talk about that one day. I'll tell you what all the barbecue places do. Or some rinse it in vinegar. So it's up to you. At the end of the day, you're cooking, right? Heat should kill most of the germs, just if you undercook it. However, I rinse. So we will do, I'll make a couple videos. This is just so I have protein. We have a colonoscopy on Monday. Not looking forward to that. So I'll prep. Or not the best thing to eat. Greasy food is the worst before a colonoscopy. Although I just had pizza, stuffed crust, delicious. Because we lived on Mexican food in Turks. Everything was so expensive. And it was expensive, but it wasn't that it was cheap. Everything else was more expensive. So we'll do the leg quarters start to finish on one of my videos. I'll cook on charcoal. The traditional is pimento wood. You get close. You could even do probably mesquite with the charcoal. The problem is we don't really want to smoke the meat. Like chicken can go change the flavor. So here's what I recommend. You can do it on anything, right? I do it on gas when I don't have time. Tomorrow we're going to do charcoal. I recommend charcoal. But you can cook this on anything. But charcoal has a really good, works well with the jerk chicken. All right, so I'm going to wash this. Then I'm going to bring that camera up. I have another camera tripod that will follow me. We'll see if I can get that to work. But we'll go to the old school. So I have a lot of medical stuff in July. But my plan is to do some cooking in between and a lot of things. A lot more cooking once we get through it. Back to the OG stuff. You guys like the cooking, maybe some Planet Fitness stuff. Just kind of old school stuff. But cooking, barbecue, and normal cooking was the most popular. So that will be heavy. And just whatever I feel like filming, people. All right, let's get to cooking. Woo! All right. So I'm going to show you some things before we get started. The seasonings I use. So I do season it. This is a great brand. I'll try to link it. I'll link some of these things in my video. This, see, all this, notice the JCS Cajun jerk seasoning, same as their jerk taste, fave. So I use this. I use this Badia Complete. So I actually learned this, funny enough, in Grand Turk on a cruise. The guy was Jamaican, making jerk chicken. He taught me this, right? And then I'll use extra garlic and onion powder. Normally I don't, but I like a little citrus. Use fresh lemon pepper. Now today I won't use this. I made my own jerk seasoning, even though it says this. It's actually jerk seasoning. So we'll use this. So I'll tell you a little story about the guy from Jamaica, jerk. First I do, but I want to show you. Take your knife, cut this, couple spots. You're like, isn't that going to dry it out, Cooley? No. This is how, I'm just showing you authentic. This isn't my way, this is their way. You cut little slits, and then the jerk will get in there. Season it. In my experience, and I make this a lot, people love it, right? The legs. I just do one side because it is hot. It doesn't dry it out because one of the tricks I do at the end, and I'm not saying this is traditional, but you guys know me. I can't do anything that's traditional. I should have put it on the backside of water. I always have to change it. I try to let it taste traditional, but then improve on it just because, right, be the 1% of the 1%. And I always have to change stuff. Anytime I try original recipes, most of the time I'm like, it could be better, even on myself. So they cut them, they're never dry. What I do is at the end, I hit it with Coke, right? As I'm cooking towards the end, I don't do it in the beginning. I want them to brown and sugar burns. But at the end, I hit these with Coke. Now, do I think you need the Coke? No. But it provides a little bit of sweetness to the heat. Because jerk is hot. If you don't like spicy, you're not going to probably like jerk. They do make a mild one. You get the flavor. Notice I'm just cutting a couple slits. You get the flavor. But still, I mean, the OG is traditional. Is spicy. There's something about it. So can I do this side? Yeah, and charcoal, right? Like you can cook this, you know, you can cook it on a Traeger, pellet, gas, but I think charcoal's the best. It keeps the most tradition. And there's something about that charcoal. Guys who've lived in Jamaica, who've come to the US, who if they can't get pimento wood, they'll actually use charcoal. So most of this, get off, hey, off. Most of this is, I start with their base and try to improve on it. And you guys know I'm picky, so it is good. So what we're going to do, seasoning wise, I go pretty heavy on things that are extra sodium. I'm just going to salt, flip, because you want flavor. The problem with a lot of white culture, right? I'm going to say it. People just don't season their food enough. My mom was Jewish. Jewish people cook very bland, right? Where you have Latino, African American, right? Their food is seasoned heavy. So if you're worried about salt, a lot of the stuff I'll use doesn't have a high salt content so that I can season heavy. I hate when I taste people's food and it's not seasoned, right? Most of the time I'd rather eat at home, and I've been doing this a long time. But have I over-seasoned? Of course. I've made every mistake in the book. Those that have followed me for a long time, I've told you, I've thrown out a lot of meat over the years, pounds and pounds, but I don't care because it's worth it for me to learn the craft. Like right now, trying to learn how to make refried beans, super simple. I make them good sometimes. I'm not consistent. Bugs me, like my mashed potatoes. I finally nailed mashed potatoes, but all right, so this is my own seasoning. What's in it? I don't know. I'll have to tell you another time. Some of it's, I don't know, too tired to think. All right, I'll probably hit it again while it's on the barbecue. Garlic. I'm a big fan of the garlic. Let's do this. Right, you just see, like, there's no science. I always say, don't overthink everything. Just freaking go. As long as there's not a ton of sodium, you can't ruin it. You know what I mean? learn as you're cooking to kind of feel the meat. Like, you gotta kind of like feel it. Like, what are you talking about? As you cook more, you'll learn like a feel, you know, and taste while you're cooking. And I said one thing about barbecuing. My number one recommendation for a beginner is a gas barbecue. And people are like, why do you say that? Like, charcoal and Traeger's. Because it's easy. It's quick. Now, onion. I'm supposed to use the onion scallions, right? They use scallions. I will when I make my OG one. But because I don't have scallions, and we just got home, I'm using onion powder. So you can still make quality jerk chicken, but scallions is what you should use. Regular onions, you could, but it's not traditional, right? And jerk, I remember making a video. Jerk always starts off not like that dark. As you cook it, it gets dark. Somebody's like, oh, it's not dark. I'm like, moron. We're not done cooking. I just threw it on the barbecue. But remember, everybody's an expert on YouTube. And then you go to their channel and you go to learn and they have nothing, right? So just know, if you record, you do any of this, everyone talks shit, but no one can like actually do the thing, right? So you do you. And then you just, you know, you find, now that I'm 53, I really don't give a shit what you think. So I do this to try to help people, right? We're not in this for the money. We used to be. And I blew it with my videos. All right, look. And I deleted them, so you won't be seeing me delete. All right, so we have this. Pretty simple, right? So what did I do? And I'm going to put these gloves on. So I used the jerk seasoning that I made, right? You can use the one I showed you. Garlic powder, onion powder, body complete. You have to say it like that, too, when you use it. Body complete. And a little lemon pepper. Now, I don't recommend, in the beginning, if you're going for the authentic jerk, to use lemon or lime, because it's strong. It'll overpower. Like, I think it can be delicious, but if we're trying to keep it like authentic, don't use any lemon or lime, right? Like, don't. I think some of the recipes I've seen people use lime, but just don't do it. Eventually, yes, right? We're going for kind of authentic, but I'm doing the quick prep just because I want food and I'm tired. So you could do this. All right. So I'm putting on the gloves. You don't need to do this because it's messy. And I use a lot. Right, I'm going to go in. You're going to use a few tablespoons of this. We used to buy the biggest one they make of Walker Woods. I used to make jerk chicken, you guys, all the time. And you said, Cooley, how can you compete against the people that make it in Jamaica? Right, and I've learned, I've talked to them, I've studied it. You know, you think I go on vacation and just, I want to learn. Like when I was in, not this time, but when I was in Grand Turk, when it tastes good, I'm like, teach me. We'll start there, and I'll open the other one. But what was I saying? I do this all the time. So I'm mixing it. Oh yeah. So a lot of times when you're in Jamaica, because you don't know what you don't know, they're trying to make a quick buck. Not everybody. It's dry because they hold the chicken. Like I've had most jerk places I've been, right? Unless you're busy, and I've tried side of the road places because I really try to go for authentic. And then I always think, right, like if it's good and you kick my ass, it happened to me with the barbecue place. Funny enough, I'm like, wow, because I want, right? I want the place to be better than my food so I can learn, right? So that's always why. But most of it is dry. And that's why I say what I say. Mine's not dry, especially right. It's mostly how you cook it, but I do really think that Coke at the end, it just adds that little bit of sweetness to that jerk. And it's a great balance with the heat, little spice. So this was about 3 tablespoons, right? Don't overthink this. Like this is kind of a good color. If I had more, but I don't want to open a new bottle, I will probably do a little more. But I'm just going to use the rest of this. And here's the funny thing. They did it. I know this sounds gross, right? But I'm telling you, we get down. They would put the jerk chicken 24 hours before in a black trash bag. I saw him put this in the black trash bag and toss it and turn it. And I was like, that's so like, right? Like the Caribbean. Did I ever do it? I actually did. Can you believe I'm telling you that? Seriously. I get down here, like, did you really put it in a trash bag? Just like them. I did. So you never know what you're getting with street food. All right, so you see the color of this? This is pretty good. You know, just because I'm weird, I probably would have added more. But this is just prep before the colonoscopy. You know what my wife said? My wife says, she goes, you should record your prep for the colonoscopy. I'm like, are you serious? She goes, yeah, people, it's interesting. I want to see how you... So maybe I'll record what I do, what I'm going to take. But it's a busy health month. It was a nice recharge for the trip. But I really want to get back to a lot of cooking and kind of all the things. Right? Like, I'm over the hurt of getting demonetized. Cooley, how many hours are you at right now? I think we're at, I don't know, 1,700 hours or something. Wait, you need 4,000. Right? So don't be skipping my videos. But we'll do fun stuff. You know me. I'm random, but it'll be heavy food. All right. So this is it. That's how easy it was. Normally, I would have used scallions. I think that's probably the only thing different. Leg quarters. It's traditional. Right? But last thing. Let me show you one last thing. And then maybe if I feel like it, I'll record it. I will pin you some jerk paste. And I'll pin you the jerk seasoning. This is like, it's so authentic you taste it. I know that sounds weird, but can you really taste the difference? I could, because when I was in Turks and saw this, I think I paid $8. I got rotisserie chickens. I was actually going to make jerk. And I ate it right out of the bottle to go as like a side. It was like, seriously, at least 5x better. I felt like saying 10, but 5x better than the Walker Woods. So I recommend that first. We'll try the other one. If you have questions, let me know. I'm going to post this tonight. I just made this tonight. But this is a very basic jerk chicken. I will end the video and I will look up and look in the comment section for Amazon, and I will post the seasonings and the jerk that I know they have Walker Woods. We keep that on the... Hey, babe, does it come in a 3-pack? Walker Woods? Are you getting a 3 when we order it? We get 3, right? Oh, is it 1? How much is it? Like $7, $8 probably? All right, yeah, I think so. All right. I will see you either tomorrow, Sunday. Maybe I'll record the prep for the colonoscopy, and we'll just kind of get back to what we used to do. Thanks for being here. Be the 1% of the 1%. Stay badass. I will see you on the next one.